Hi everyone, how are you doing today? I hope you all are doing great. So, talking about today's video, in this video, we will talk about the live updates. So, hopefully, you will like it. So, let's begin. Firstly, it is summer vacation. So, if you don't know what I'm pursuing right now, so currently I'm pursuing a course called BEd, which means a Bachelor of Education. So it is a professional course. Secondly, why I'm not uploading regularly videos on my channel. So for that, I would like to tell some reasons behind it. As I have told you that I am pursuing a professional course which is require much time. For that, I could not adjust any extra time to filming videos except for study. And secondly, my phone is giving me the reason to could not film video because it has lots of problem. Firstly, it is a low capacity of storage. Then it has a audio problem. Then as you can see, it has a camera of poor camera quality. I don't have microphone, so while I am voice overing my video, it is very difficult for me to provide a quality sound. So you can observe that some parts of the video there will no proper sound. So this is also reason. Right now my phone's battery health is also not good, so this makes me a little demotivated to filming videos. So after giving my terminal examination, my whole room is messed up, so I'm planning today to clean up and organize this. And talking about my problem solutions, so I hope that next semester will be getting more time than last one, because once my mentor told me that in the third semester there will be a micro teaching program, so hopefully there will be time to filming the videos, and also I would like to film and share them you. And I'm also planning to buy a new phone, so because right now my phone condition is very pathetic, so could not use it anymore. So currently I'm reading the novel called The Prince and the Pauper, written by Mark Twain. I just want to read it and enjoy it because so much study about syllabus is torture. So yeah, I just want to repress my mind. The fact is that I don't have any vacation. Actually, I have to prepare for UGC net examination also because it's approaching, and like right now my mood is like, no, I don't want to study deeply and intentionally. I just want to take some break and relax my mood. So I don't know when I could start studying again. I don't like rainy days. It's make me so lazy and sleepy. I don't know about you guys. Let me know in comment section what you feel about rainy days. Due to continuously raining in our area, we could not step out from our home. So it's like stuck in one place. My brother and I were planning to go hometown. But eventually we could not because of this bad weather. Here's today's recipe. It is very simple. So you have to take an appropriate amount of water, then boil it, then add the basic ingredient, the salt, the chili, ginger, whatever you like, and add this chicken, then boil it until it release its natural oil from their meat, and you can add the vegetable whatever you like. So here we take a sponge guard. So literally we don't have anything in our fridge because of this weather. We could not go to market to buy a new vegetable. So yeah, we have also facing this scarcity. So my chicken has been properly cooked, and right now I'm adding my vegetables, and it's sponge guard, so it will cook within no time. We should cook it like 5 to 6 minutes with the closed lid, then it's ready to serve. So it's almost cooked, and we will have this with white rice. Right now I'm freaking hungry, so I think I will have my lunch and stop filming here.
Butterflies in my stomach. Not just the ones I had for lunch, but like other butterflies. I don't know what this feeling's called, but it looks like this. And this. And this. And this! I love drawing this! I told you, don't take the canyon! Hey! Never take the canyon!
And thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next one. Bye.